Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Car Craze USA. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme luxury and performance with the Lamborghini Urus S and powered Rivuelto PHEV, which is set to stay sold out until 2026. But today, we're not here to talk about the Rivuelto or the future Huracan replacement. No, we've got something even more special. The Lamborghini Urus S, now tricked out with a Novatec Widebody package that's truly a sight to behold. Check this out. This Urus S is draped in a stunning satin Nero finish, complete with an exposed carbon fiber kit. It's rocking custom 24-inch black wheels that add an aggressive stance to this luxury beast. And while most of the car is blacked out, the Lamborghini badges are still in black and orange, adding a touch of color. Inside, it's all about that Nero x Hermes theme, black and orange everywhere. This isn't just any Urus. It's a one-off, complete with personalized headrests featuring the number 7. Give it an even more menacing look. And let's not forget the interior touches. A shooting star ceiling, RS nano-ceramic window tint, and a ceramic paint protection coating. This Urus S is the epitome of custom luxury and performance. So, what do you think of this custom Lamborghini Urus S? Is it the ultimate luxury SUV, or what? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.